Install Yango branding on your car to receive more bonuses and more orders due to increased priority points. Branding is free to install and it helps you to earn more money. Car pasting takes around 20 minutes and you get more than just a big logo on your car. Branded cars have additional priority points in the distribution of orders. The more priority points, the more orders and therefore more earnings. Drivers with branded cars receive increased bonuses on their Yango Pro balance. Branded cars are more visible. Clients can quickly find it even on busy streets. A photo check is the process we use to remotely check your car. Once every 5 or 10 days, you have to approve your branding via photo check. You will regularly receive a notification asking to pass a photo check. When you see the notification, go to your Yango Pro profile. Scroll down the menu to the Photo Check section and choose it. Then choose the Branding Photo Check section. Tap the Start Check button. Take photos of your car, keeping the car strictly in the frames that are on the screen. We'll check the vehicle and send you the results within 4 hours. So don't worry. If you did everything right, your branding will be confirmed. You can always find the date of the next photo check in the Photo Check section of the Yango Pro app. Yango branding will help you to get more bonuses and earn more money. Branding is free and easy to install. Don't forget about regular photo checks to be able to get additional priority points and higher bonuses.